Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn the importance of truth. Students, do you know if we speak a lie to the others, then no one loves us. So we should always speak truth. Now students, that recite a story. Jyoti tells a little lie. Jyoti and her friend went for a picnic. Students, you enjoy to go for picnic? The whole class was there. They had so much fun. They played hopla. They played ball. They eat uncle chips. They drink fruit juices. Jyoti saw something lying in the grass. She did not know what it was. It looked like paper. She picked it up. It was money. It was money. It was a 500 rupee note. Jyoti looked around. No one had seen her. She put it in her pocket. In the bus, Jyoti saw Anup crying. Her friend Minu said Anup's grandfather gave him money for his birthday. He dropped the money. He said Jyoti's face turned red, but she kept quiet. Jyoti, since suddenly she took her hanky from her pocket. The money fell out. Meenu saw it. Meenu looked at Jyoti. Jyoti said, "It's my money." No, Anup says, "My uncle gave it to me." Her face became more red. At home, Jyoti's mother took her dress to wash. The money fell out. Jyoti, she asked, "Where did you get so much money from?" So much money from? Tell Jyoti. "Tinu uncle give it to me," Jyoti said quickly. Her face turned red again. "Why did I give you?" A hurtly voice boomed from the doorway. "Hello, little girl." "Hello, little girl," he said. "I came to surprise you." Tinu uncle saw the money. I did not give you money." Both Tinu uncle and Jyoti's mother looked at her. Jyoti's face became as red as a tomato. She began to cry. Then she told them truth. "I feel bad," Jyoti said, "but I don't know what to do." The next day, Tinu uncle came to school. He spoke quietly to Jyoti's teacher. After class, Jyoti's teacher called Jyoti. Uncle Tinu told me what happened. You are very brave. It's not easy to tell the truth. I am proud of you. She gave Jyoti a big hug. The next day, the teacher called Anoop. Anoop, come here. I have a good news for you. I found the money. Anoop was very happy. He smiled and laughed. Everyone clapped. They were happy for him. Jyoti was the happiest of all. In this story, students, we have learned that don't tell a lie. We should always speak truth. Now, students, I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.